I save my money.
I save my money.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I smile in the morning.
I smile in the morning.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I wash my face slowly.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth well.
I brush my teeth well.
I rinse my mouth.
I rinse my mouth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I use soap.
I use soap.
I dry my body.
I dry my body.
I wear clean clothes.
I wear clean clothes.
I comb my hair nicely.
I comb my hair nicely.
I look clean.
I look clean.
I feel fresh.
I feel fresh.
I walk to the kitchen.
I walk to the kitchen.
I sit on a chair.
I sit on a chair.
I eat breakfast slowly.
I eat breakfast slowly.
I eat eggs.
I eat eggs.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
I eat fruit.
I eat fruit.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I finish my food.
I finish my food.
I clean the table.
I clean the table.
I wash my hands again.
I wash my hands again.
I get ready for school.
I get ready for school.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.